Sanika and I'm going to show you guys my work makeup look today. So the first thing I go in with to give myself a little bit of coverage is the Isadora Hydralight water-based oil-free matte makeup. I pump out a very little bit and I dab some on my under eyes to give myself a little coverage for my dark circles. I feel this is the best for me because I don't like a lot of heavy makeup on my face early in the morning, and this is the perfect coverage for my under eyes. I always blend out the product very well because I don't like a cakey finish. So that's done. The next product I'm going to go in with is the Rouge lipstick. So I don't like using a lot of products in the morning, and using a multi-purpose product is the best thing. So what I do is I use some of this on my lips, and I will also dab a little bit on my cheeks later to give myself a nice little flush. I absolutely love this lipstick because it lasts all day, even through my lunch and some snacks. I just take a little bit of the same lipstick that I'm going in for my lips with, and I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it on my cheeks. I'm just going to blend it out with my fingers. It helps add a little bit of color into my face after a long night. The last and final step in my quick makeup routine is some L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I absolutely love applying mascara every day because it makes my eyes look open and my lashes look more lifted. So this is my 3-minute makeup look. You guys can do anything you want and what works best for you. Be your own beautiful.